Guys, we got a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. I'm going to show you guys how to replace your engine air filter and your cabin filter. So first of all, let's look at the part numbers. So this is the brand that we're using right here, PTC, and part number here, right there. If you guys need to get the cabin filter, I'm using an AC Delco, and there's the part number there, and there's what the filter look like. Okay. Anyways, something like this you should do every 15,000 miles to maintain your air filter and cabin filter. Changing the air filter is gonna give you a little bit of better fuel economy because the air and fuel needs to be mixed proper to give you a proper fuel economy. Anyways, your air filter on this vehicle, this is a 4-cylinder GDI engine. It will tell me here the liters of this engine. Here is where is it? There's no liters. I can't find the liters here. Okay, anyway, it's fine. This is where your air filter is. So pretty much what you want to do is you want to grab this little guy and just put your hand just like that, and you want to pull forward so this lid just opens up. So inside you're gonna have your filter, probably never been changed. You see this? It has a lock here and unlock here. So you're gonna take this tab, push down on it. Same thing here, you're gonna push down on this, and that's how simple it is. You're gonna pull out this filter just like that. You see how dirty that is? So this is the camera can't see it that good, but this is packed up. Okay, so if the air can't flow through, your sensor are not gonna monitor the airflow, and it's not gonna compensate to a if you got a lot of dirt and debris in there, just put your hand in there, pull it out, vacuum it, it's all there in there. But you want to take this filter the same way. Okay, same location. These tabs, you have to have it on unlock just like we took it off. So let's leave it on lock. So you're gonna take this little guy and you're gonna stick this baby in. And let's see if I can get this guy to go in properly. And once it goes in smooth and easy, this rubber might bother you, but after that you just want to lock it up. You want to lock it up so this thing shit cannot come out. See if I try to pull it out. And after that you take this little guy, okay, make sure your tabs are closed, and all you do is you lock it up. That's how simple it is. So now we're gonna go inside and we're gonna take our cabin filter. We're gonna come and grab it. So inside here, hopefully this is unlocked. Okay, there you go. So vehicle off, changing both of these, vehicle is off. So pretty much we're gonna push this to open this. So we got this little plunger here, so make sure all this stuff comes out because it's all gonna probably fall on you. So make sure the glove box is kind of empty, and you want to open this little guy right here. So all you do is you take this and you could squeeze this little guy and this thing will come out easier. But this little guy, I'm sure you guys can figure that out. Pull on it really hard and it pops up. So inside here, you got this little guy. You're going to remove this, and you want to remove this little guy right here. You see this little guy? You're going to just turn this counterclockwise, and it's going to come out just like that. And your glove box is going to go down. You might find stuff behind it like this. And inside here, you have your cabin filter. So pretty much you grab this little guy, and you squeeze this here, you squeeze this, and this lid opens up. And what you do here is, let me just grab my camera better, that way it makes it easier for me. So there's no arrow here, so pretty much the airflow is going from here to down. So try to get the filter the same direction. You see how dirty this is inside here? It doesn't look so, there you go, you can see it, it's dirty. So there's your cabin filter. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put this baby here. Let me grab the new filter. So the filter pretty much very simple to put in. Let's grab this filter and we're gonna go back in here. So what you want to do is, let me just put my filter here for now. Something like this should take you no more than 10 minutes to do both of them, and it's very simple. You just put that in and it sits there just like that. Make sure your fan, blower motor, everything is off, keys off. That's all you need to do. Stick this in there and you push this tab right in, clicks right in. Okay, next step, you want to grab one of these. They're the same thing. Okay, so you do want to bring this glove box up. Now you need to find the slot to sit in there, and you want to turn this clockwise, and you want to do the same thing here. I'm going to put this in. You might have to lift up a bit so your glove is beyond, the glove box is beyond the point of where it's supposed to be at. And with one hand is always in trouble. See how the slots are? So that's why we need to find the same slots. Come on, little guy. Okay. This guy is not cooperating with us. And there you go. That baby's in. And do not forget to put this in. If you don't put this in, your glove box is going to come down really heavy on you. So this is like a little plunger here. So all you have to do is push on this and it should click right in just like that. And your box should open up smooth like that. Put all this stuff back in. Bada bing, bada boom. After that, you could test your blower motor, put the speed on, and there should be no issues, okay? There should be no issues. Yeah. You should get fresh air, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. Start up your car. Nothing should go wrong doing this 10-minute job. Thank you for watching.